Hi, I'm Sally, your faceless guide for smarter hustles and digital success. Let's talk about digital products. Not in the six-figure launch kind of way, but in the real, beginner-friendly, what could I make right now kind of way? Because here's the truth. Most people overthink their first product so much, they never even start. But you're here. That's already step one. Let's get to step two, creating something simple that actually sells. So, what is a digital product? It's anything people can download, read, watch, or use on their own time. That could be a guide, a checklist, a set of Canva templates, a Notion planner, a printable meal plan, anything that helps them solve a problem. Here's how to create one from scratch, even if you're not a designer, not a techie, and not sure what to make yet. Step one. Start with a tiny problem. Ask yourself, what's something I figured out recently that made my life easier? It doesn't have to be groundbreaking. Maybe you found a way to plan your week in 20 minutes. Maybe you made a checklist to keep your focus while working from home. Maybe you designed a cute daily planner in Canva that keeps your brain calm. That's your starting point. Write down 3 things like that right now. Yes. Literally pause this video if you need to. You've got ideas already. Step 2. Pick the format that feels easiest to you. If you like writing, try an ebook or guide. If you're visual, design a printable or Canva template. If you like organizing, build a Notion board. The best format is the one you'll actually finish. Step 3. Use the right tools. Here are the exact ones I recommend and use myself. Canva for beautiful layouts, covers, printables, planners. Notion for interactive templates and digital workspaces. Google Docs or Pages if you just want to type and export to PDF and Payhip to sell it with no website needed. You don't need anything fancy. You need something done. Step 4. Give it structure. Let's say you're making a guide. Here's a simple outline. A short intro, who it's for, and what it helps with. 3 to 5 clear steps or tips, and a bonus, like a checklist, a cheat sheet, or a personal example. Done. If you're making a planner or worksheet, keep it clean. 1 goal per page. Simple headings. Room to write. You can even start with a free Canva template and tweak it to match your vibe. Step 5. Export, upload, share. Export to PDF. Upload to Payhip. Write 1 post or story explaining what it is, why you made it, and who it helps. Add a clean image or mock-up. Again, Canva helps. Share it. That's it. Your first product doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be useful, honest, and made with care. That's what sells. And that's what builds trust. And if you'd like help picking a product idea, structuring it, designing it, pricing it, and actually getting it out there, you can download my full guide below. It has templates, real examples, and a full checklist to make the whole thing easier. But even if you don't grab the guide, you can still start today. Write down 1 idea, pick 1 format, create 1 page. Just begin. You've got this. Until next time.